Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video, we will talk about the One UI 7 update for the Samsung Galaxy A35. Also, this One UI 7 update will come up with the Android 15 update, and this will be the first major upgrade of the Samsung Galaxy A35. As currently the A35 is on the Android 14 update, and now it will get its first update of Android 15 along with the Samsung's One UI 7 update. Also, the One UI 7 update itself is a major UI update and it will bring in a lot more changes in the One UI. As you know that with the One UI 6 we got this control panel changed, and now with the One UI 7 update this control panel is going to get changed again. So we are going to see a redesigned control panel with this new One UI 7 update. Also, we will get to see some new widgets that will be available with the One UI 7 update that will give your device a fresh new look. And if we talk about the AI features that you can expect to get with the One UI 7 update, so that is not confirmed yet. It is not confirmed that which features you will get to see with the new update, but you will still get to see some new features with the new update. And also with the new update, you will get to see some performance enhancements and it will make your device a lot more smoother than before. Also, you will get to see some brand new animations while opening and closing of the apps, and with these new animations, you will feel your device a lot more smoother. And that's not it, you will get to see some brand new app icons with this new update. And I'm really excited about these new app icons, and it will redesign your phone. This will make you feel like you are using a brand new phone with the new UI design. And if we talk about the release date of this One UI 7 update, so the One UI 7 update is currently released with the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. And like before, it will first of all get on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series and likewise on the older devices. So we can expect this update on your devices by the end of March or by the end of Feb. I am really excited about the new features which are coming up with the One UI 7 update, and if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates.